Tate with Mercedes-Benz of Birmingham. First and foremost, thank you for your continued interest in our CLA 2022 model CLA 250. I know we discussed it earlier on the phone, and I sent you all the appropriate documentation. We'll need to go ahead and pull this off the market, but I wanted to give you an idea of the condition and how this vehicle looks before you come in from out of town to execute your purchase. So what I'm going to do, Hannah, is turn this camera around to get you a little bit more information. And here is the 2022 CLA 250. I know we discussed it earlier on the phone, Hannah, but vehicle's in great condition. It is certified pre-owned, and that's going to give you an additional year of unlimited mileage dealer warranty good at any Mercedes-Benz dealer throughout the U.S. I want to say this one's going to go through April of 2027. So you're going to have a good bit of time left with full warranty coverage there. Body is free of any kind of visible dents, dings, blemishes that I can tell. Of course, it needs a bath, and before you execute your purchase, it'll go through a full detail for you. Of course, we're going to gas it up for you as well. But just wanted to kind of walk around it so you can get a better idea since you're not here local. I know we did put a new windshield in the vehicle. As you can see, we added brand new tires. So it's brand new good Bridgestones all the way around the vehicle, and all in all just looks to be in really good condition. This was a local trade here at my dealership. All the wheels are free of blemishes, no road rash on any of those. And coming in the cab, this is a really good combination. You're going to have your polar white exterior against your macchiato beige interior, and nice brushed aluminum on your trim panels, power seat controls here, heated seats on the door. Lighting, windshield wipers, all that will be automatic. Super easy to use, and it does have our MBUX touchscreen system in there with the voice capabilities of Hey Mercedes. And also you can see we're going to have the ambient lighting in this model. So good looking package all the way around. Coming in here to the cab. Seats look like they're all in good condition. No visible blemishes that I can see. Forgive me, it is very hot today here in Alabama, as I'm sure you know. Roof line looks good. Like I said, no visible rips, tears, blemishes to your interior. Take a look at the other side here for you also. Panels all look good. All in all, looks like a really solid option. There you go, Hannah. If you'd like any additional information, please don't hesitate to contact me direct at 205-504-2358. That's my personal cell, and you can reach me there by phone or text, or check me out online at themercedesguy.com. I really appreciate you sticking around, watching the whole video. I can make you this personal guarantee when you make it out to Mercedes-Benz of Birmingham. Expect excellence.